What if Lamborghini took everything you love about a supercar and stretched it into a luxury home on wheels? This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of power, design, and pure indulgence. Stay with me because once you see what's inside, you'll never look at travel the same way again. From the very first glance, the Lamborghini Motorhome is a masterpiece of futuristic engineering. Its body is sculpted with razor-sharp lines, every angle designed to slice through the air with elegance and aggression. The matte black finish absorbs light like stealth armor, while gold accents trace the edges, catching the sun in a way that makes the whole vehicle look alive. Massive stylized wheels with low-profile tires give it a stance that's both commanding and athletic. The panoramic windshield sweeps across the front like the visor of a high-tech helmet, offering a view that feels limitless. LED light strips wrap around the body, glowing like the heartbeat of a machine built for the future. This is not just transportation, it's rolling art. Step inside and the atmosphere shifts from awe to pure luxury. The lounge area is a sanctuary of comfort with low, modular seating upholstered in dark, suede and stitched in Lamborghini's signature gold. The seating wraps around a central table crafted from brushed black aluminum, perfect for both work and relaxation. Ambient gold LED lighting runs along the ceiling and floor, creating a warm, cinematic glow that makes the space feel intimate yet futuristic. The kitchen is a marvel of design and practicality. Seamless graphite cabinetry hides high-end appliances, while the matte composite countertop offers a sleek, durable workspace. An induction cooktop with gold trim, a black titanium faucet, and a discreetly integrated fridge complete the galley, making it as functional as it is beautiful. Every surface feels premium, every line intentional, every detail whispering exclusivity. Back outside, the design once again takes your breath away. The interplay of matte and gloss finishes, the precision of the panel gaps, and the way the gold accents catch the light, all combine to create a visual rhythm that's impossible to ignore. It's a machine that looks fast even when standing still, a fusion of Lamborghini's racing DNA with the freedom of luxury travel. Whether parked at a scenic overlook or cruising down a coastal highway, it turns heads and sparks conversations. If you enjoyed this look at the Lamborghini Motorhome, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's your dream motorhome? We might just feature it in our next video.